welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video, part of my 31 days of Halloween. This is a look that I have for you guys right here. I know some of you guys are not super duper uber into freaking Halloween looks. And you know what? I'm just not gonna say anything. It's totally fine. You like what you like. But I figured that there were a couple of you, so I created this look right here. I call it my pumpkin spice look because it's nice and spicy and it's nice and pumpkin-y and it's nice and orange. And we got these, like, I don't know, I had to add some kind of Halloween thing in it, so we got these like spider webs in the background that, like, they don't even look like spider webs. And if you guys want to learn how I got it, then just keep on watching. Alright, you guys, we're jumping into this video. You will notice that the quality is a little bit different, so sorry about that. Wanted to try something new and it just didn't work out as I hoped, so I figured that the video isn't that bad, that I could still show it to you guys, thank God, because I really loved the way that this look came out. But we will not be filming like this anymore, and it's just like very washed out, so I want to make sure that that doesn't happen again. So these are the shades that I'm using from the Tartelette Toasted palette from Tarte. We did just jump in and do the brows, and then going to blend basically the lightest color in the crease, and then I'm going to focus the darker shades in the inner and outer corners. We're creating a smoky spotlight eye with a bunch of orangey warm tones to reflect that pumpkin spice. And I'm gonna take some eyeliner and I'm just going to tight line my eyes. And then I did jump into this palette that I have that just has a bunch of different colors in it, and I just used the black in it, which is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think it's called Gold Diamond. I don't know, I will share that with you in the description down below. You'll see all of the products. I'm then going to start creating the spotlight with some concealer, and I'm just going to then put shadows on the outer corners so that it blends really nice. And then I used some of these shimmery shades from the Tartelette Toasted palette, and then this gorgeous, literally gorgeous shade from Artist Couture on the center, and some gold liquid liner from NYX right at the top. I'm then going to add some mascara, eyeliner, and all that fun stuff. And then I'm going to, before we hop onto lashes, I'm just going to wipe away all of the shadow that fell underneath our eyes with the Derma Blend makeup remover. Pop it on some lashes, and we're moving on to skin. For skin, I'm starting off with the Cover FX Illuminating Primer and then the Milk Makeup Illuminating Blur Stick. For foundation, I'm using my Makeup Forever HD foundation, one of my favorites, my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and then I'm going to just blend that all out and move on to some powder. I'm using the Laura Mercier powder just to set everything all over my entire face. And then, of course, how can I forget blush, bronzer, and highlighter. I'm using this beautiful blush from Carity, and I'm using an orange blush. It goes on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose, forehead, and chin, just to make it look very rosy and orange. And then the blush is from Sugar Rush, and highlighter is from Private Society Cosmetics. I added some shadows and mascara to the bottom lashes, and then some highlighter to the inner corners and also brow bone. I'm then taking this, it's literally I think called a Freckle pen from Lime Crime, and it actually came out so good. I just put freckles all over my face, tons of them. I thought it looked super cute. And then I'm just adding a really pretty nude lip to this look with some orange in the center from Fenty Beauty. I'm going to dab it out with my finger and then add some gloss from e.l.f. and this is the completed look. Alright guys, that is it for this look right here. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And as always, make sure to subscribe to me and check out my Halloween looks. It's Halloween. Come on. I did it for you. I did this look for you, but just check out my Halloween ones. They're fun. So check out all my Halloween videos in my Halloween playlist. It'll be right here or right here. And of course, make sure to subscribe to me and click that notification bell. I will see you guys tomorrow. And I'm so sorry, but it will probably be a ridiculous Halloween look where I pray and keep my fingers crossed that I am not turning myself a different color or staining my skin a different color, like pink. Okay, toodles.